Hello, Paula Daniele from Crochet Hooked You here, and today I'll show you how to do a front loop single crochet stitch. And this is what it looks like when the fabric is made up. And I've used a medium category 4 yarn with a K or a 6.5mm hook. Now with this stitch you can use any amount of chain stitches for your foundation chain. So I'll just chain on 11 as a foundation chain to show you how to do this stitch. First start with our slip knot. So first you make your foundation chain, and as I said, you can put on as many chain stitches as you like. Now for the first row, you're going to just do single crochet stitches right across. So into the second chain here, we start with our first single crochet stitch. So just single crochets into each chain stitch across the first row. Now this stitch is ideal for a baby blanket, and especially in a cream or a white or a very pure colour, because it really brings up the stitch. It really shows up the ridge that it creates. So this is what I like this stitch for, is a baby blanket for a cot. It would be good for a bag or a pillowcase as well. Okay, so we're into the last chain stitch here with our last single crochet, and then we're going to turn the work. And now we'll be working into the front loop of each stitch. So first, make a chain 1, because we're going to be doing single crochet stitches, so our turning chain will be a chain 1. And then to work into the front loop, the front loops are these ones closest to you. There's the back loop there, there's the front loop there, and then you just make your single crochet stitch as usual. So instead of doing your single crochet into both loops like you normally would, you're just doing it into the front one. So that's a front loop single crochet. And then you just make the same stitch into each of these stitches along. Just into the front loop. just the front loop. And I'll just show you this other side so you can see where the back loop is exposed there, because we've crocheted into the front loop, so you can't see it there because it's crocheted into, but on the other side here you get the ridged look because you've left the back loop exposed. So I'll just show you on this other piece here. That's how you're getting these ridges here. So into the front loop of each stitch along, just doing a single crochet. Now coming up to the last one here, you can see that little curly bit there is the chain 1, and you can see here, if you turn it, there's a V here, so you know this is the last stitch, and that was the chain 1, and that's not to be stitched into. So just into the front loop there. Then you would turn your work and you would repeat that last row that I just showed you. And you would just repeat that right throughout the pattern, and that's all you'll do. And then you'd finish off your work, and that's what it'll look like. And this is the stitch abbreviation that you will usually find in crochet patterns. So that's how you do the front loop single crochet stitch.